Remove excess moisture and dry wet areas like the pros with the Dri-Eaz LGR 7000 dehumidifier. This top quality contractor grade dehumidifier is preferred by water damage professionals for its rugged build and high performance. It removes up to 29 gallons of water per day and can dry out damp spaces up to 6,500 cubic feet. If drying after a leak or flood, start by removing as much standing water as possible. Always operate the dehumidifier in an upright position. Place the dehumidifier in the wet area and be sure not to block the air intake and outlets. Remove the power cord from the pocket on the inside of the unit. Attach the power plug to the power socket on the back. Then insert the pronged plug into a grounded outlet on a 15 amp circuit. The unit uses 8.3 amps. Next, remove the clear drainage hose in the other side pocket. Attach the quick connect end securely to the drain outlet tube on the back of the dehumidifier. Unwind the hose and put the open end securely into a sink, toilet, tub, or out the door. Any place where water can safely drain that's less than 20 feet above the dehumidifier. Make sure the hose has no kinks and is unobstructed. Water condensed from the air is automatically pumped out, so there's no water receptacle to empty. To turn the dehumidifier on, press the keypad on-off button. Use the menu buttons to scroll through performance and setup information, to reset, and to purge the pump. If you are fast drying a damp area, use the arrow key to turn the humidistat off so that the dehumidifier is operating at full capacity. You can also use this dehumidifier for ongoing humidity control in areas up to 26,000 cubic feet. Turn the humidistat on, then press the arrow key to set the target relative humidity percentage. On a regular basis, check the inlet and outlet readings displayed on the control panel. The outlet readings should show higher temperatures and lower humidity percentages than those of the inlet. If the inlet temperature is at or below 60 degrees Fahrenheit, consider adding heat to promote proper drying. Once drying is complete, turn the dehumidifier off, but do not unplug it. The unit will go through a shutdown process to dry the internal coils, then finish with a purge of the pump. Once complete, disconnect the power and drain hose. Coil them and place them back in the side pockets. Always use a Dri-Eaz dehumidifier with a Dri-Eaz air mover for faster, more efficient drying. The air mover promotes evaporation from wet materials, and the dehumidifier removes the moisture from the air to allow materials to truly dry.